Welcome to this learning class again. Today we will see the introductory part of brain. Some of you may not have the basic knowledge of brain, so you should know the fundamental things about brain, the main parts. So we will see that in introductory part. First you have to know how to hold this brain in anatomical position. You may get confused about anterior and posterior. So what is the thing you should look for? There is a lateral sulcus. This lateral sulcus ascends posteriorly from anterior aspect. Here you can see the lateral sulcus is going posterior superiorly. So if you hold it like this, you may get confused. But this thing will certainly help you. If you have cerebellum in your hand with this specimen, it is quite easy that cerebellum will be on posterior aspect. But if it is not with cerebellum, what is the demarcation thing? You should look for this lateral sulcus which is ascending posteriorly. Now these are two cerebral hemispheres. These cerebral hemispheres are separated by sagittal sulcus. You can see there is sagittal sulcus, but in midway it is connected by some commissural fiber. Here you can see, actually after dissection this part and this part is separated, otherwise they are connecting the two sides. So that is why same lobes of opposite sides are connected by this fiber, that is called as commissural fiber. So it is commissural fiber and they connect two sides. Now below that there is the core brain, which is also called as primitive brain. It is situated in lower animals. Here you can see diencephalon. This diencephalon is consisting of thalamus, hypothalamus, epithalamus and metathalamus. Together we can remember it as them, and below that there is medulla oblongata and pons, and this one is cerebellum. So it has also two hemisphere, right hemisphere and left hemisphere. Similar to cerebrum, cerebellum also have two hemisphere. Now if we further dissect it, we'll be able to see that there are some ventricles. Here you can see this is lateral ventricle. Now this lateral ventricle connect with third ventricle. On third ventricle is a single one. Why we are calling third ventricle? Because lateral ventricle is two in number, one on right side, one on left side, and two lateral ventricle connected here by half of a cavity. One hemisphere for thalamus and hypothalamus and all these things forming half of the cavity, and another side forming half of the cavity. Thus both connect to form, here there is a cavity that is called as third ventricle. Now this third ventricle communicates with another ventricle. Here you can see half of a rhomboid, you can see on pons. This is fourth ventricle. So lateral ventricle on either side, so you can consider it as first and second, then third ventricle, and then there is fourth ventricle. But they are connected by certain aperture. This lateral ventricle with third ventricle are connected by an aperture that is called as foramen of Monro, and there is from third ventricle to fourth ventricle, it is connected by aqueduct of Sylvius. So third ventricle have some different questions, different pattern of question may be asked. In certain question there will be simple third ventricle, in certain question there will be lateral wall of third ventricle. If it is a question of lateral wall of third ventricle, you just mention upper boundary, lower boundary, anterior boundary and posterior boundary. If it is asked as simply third ventricle, the upper boundary which you have mentioned, it will be mentioned as roof. The lower main boundary, the certain things which we memorize, they will be counted as floor, and anterior boundary will be counted as anterior wall and posterior boundary will be counted as posterior wall. So thus we can read simultaneously two questions, the lateral wall of third ventricle or third ventricle itself. Now what are the other parts? This is cerebellum. Here you can see this is pons. So anterior-inferiorly there is pons and posterior-superiorly there is cerebellum. In between there is, you can see this area is called as fourth ventricle. Now this fourth ventricle connect with the central canal of spinal cord. So that is the communication. This whole thing is the communication of cerebrospinal fluid. It starts from, you can say, lateral ventricle. Below lateral ventricle there is a capillary bed that is called as choroidal plexus, and the inner lining of this ventricle is made up of ependyma. From there is a fluid secreting. That fluid is CSF. It is then circulated towards third ventricle through foramen of Monro. Then from third ventricle it is communicating to fourth ventricle through this aqueduct of Sylvius. On either side you can see a half tube. Here there is a half tube and here there is a half tube. This two half tube connect each other. Actually this is a sagittal section. In a human body it is actually a unit. It is united like this. So two half tube connected with each other forming a tube that is called as aqueduct of Sylvius, and this is the location of fourth ventricle. So in certain questions you may read it, memorize it, but you cannot locate it in your mind. Now onwards at least you can locate them where exactly they are, such as you can now locate the cerebral cortex, cerebral hemispheres, then the corpus callosum, which is the largest commissural fiber connecting each other. Then you can locate lateral ventricles, then you can locate third ventricle, and you can locate fourth ventricle. This is the area of diencephalon, which is consisting of thalamus, hypothalamus, epithalamus, metathalamus. In short, you can remember like. Then this is mammillary body, this is medulla oblongata and pons. So these are the location of the things which you read as different short note and different question. One thing is remaining, that is internal capsule. Where exactly it is located? It is located within this. If we cut it horizontally, we may get a view of that internal capsule. Actually the fibers from spinal cord, they are white fiber coming like this, and at the end, this cortical area, there are cell bodies. So white fibers, when they come, they are obstructed by some gray area, that is nucleus, and in that nucleus it is obstructed and some fiber go medial to that, some fiber go outside, and in between there are some nucleus. So here you can see some fibers are coming. These are white area, and outside there is cerebral cortex. This is white area and this is gray area, exactly opposite of spinal cord. Now these white fibers obstructed by some nucleus like globus, putamen, all this thing, they form from outside external capsule and from inside internal capsule. So these are the basic thing, these are the basic locations which you need to know before going to particular questions about brain. So this is the first episode. You now know the fundamental things, basic things which you read as a question, but you may not know where exactly they are located. So if you know where exactly they are located, you can easily write the relation. For relation, you don't have to memorize and marking up all these things. You can just auto-generate in your memory the superior relation, inferior relation, anterior relation, posterior relation, because now you know where exactly those things are. So that's it for this episode. Thank you.